Hey, good evening and welcome. Yes, hard to believe, but it's here. It's week 4, and I hope that the course is challenging but also encouraging to you and that you're learning about some different strategies that you can immediately put into practice, whether it's concerning your academic, career, or even personal life. So, this is a weird week, and I want to go ahead and caution you because it is Christmas and our schedules can be very different during this week. However, we still need to understand that because this is a very short class, work still continues this week, and it's actually the week before your final week. So a lot to do, but let me just encourage you to be um, persistent, but also prepared as we move throughout this week. Being that it is Christmas, your assignments are not terribly difficult this week. There's a quiz and a discussion forum. And the discussion forum is actually going to be due on Sunday night, as the quiz is. So while both of them are due on Sunday night, you might want to go ahead and get them done long before Sunday night because of commitments as it relates to the holidays. Please note that there are no extensions because it's a holiday or whatever it is. There's just no extension. So go ahead and get that work done. Besides the quiz, the only thing you have to do this week is a discussion forum. And the discussion forum is basically where you are going to think about the biggest pet peeve. This is the thing that really drives you crazy, annoys you, frustrates you, whatever it might be. And this I'm talking about something that maybe your spouse does, a coworker, just the general public. Who knows what it might be. But as you think through this, I want you to address what the pet peeve is, but then also what is a solution, and give detail for that. Minimum word count is 400 words. You can do it just type it right into the harmonized discussion forum, and that works perfectly fine. And then you have a quiz. All right, so as we move forward this week, make sure that you are persistent with your work. As always, if I can help you, please let me know. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas, and I appreciate all that you're doing. So take care. Have a great week.